G'day YouTube, Warbles Odd a Lot here with the Hillbilly hand washing technique. This is a bar wash, a Presawash they call it. It takes 10 litres of clothes and 15 litres of water, so it's probably about an 18 litre enclosure. This one's pretty old, 1970s vintage, so it's been repaired 2 or 3 times to keep it in service. And to stop the step getting soggy, we have a galvanised sheet steel tray propped up on an incline by the shit pot stirring stick. And it is better to be selfless fame. And so that we don't over fertilise any one part of the lawn, we have this extended movable series of drainage gutterings. Okay, so that's the setup. If you want to make sure that you ruin the elastic in your underpants, you can put hot water in there. I wash with cold water. And to wash one bucket of clothes and get the soap out, I find it takes about 100 litres. And for the first 4 buckets of water, I just pour the water straight out through the clothes so that some soap stays in there and the solution of soap and dirt and water becomes more dilute with each succeeding bucket. And after the 4th bucket of water has gone through the system, that's when I start hand wringing the clothes between putting new water in. And if it wasn't such a sunny day, then I'd be producing some boiling water and adding maybe 30% boiling water to each bucket, so that it's, you know, slightly warm when it goes in, and therefore it doesn't freeze your fingers when you're hand wringing the clothes. And if you've got any sort of a water restriction or a drought on, it's really easy to conserve water when you have to shift it around in a bucket before you get to use it. In my case, it's reasonably good exercise carrying it from the Chinese Inflatable Swimming Pool that I use to store it in. And the runoff, fertilised with the clothes washing liquid, keeps this patch of the lawn too green to burn, so it's a kind of a bushfire defence as well.